Fun Artists. It's Mrs. Allen, and I'm bringing you an art lesson this week that has to do with your favorite people. That's right, your moms. We love our moms. We love our moms. In this lesson, you guys have four options to choose from. These are all step-by-step videos that you can follow. Make sure you have a piece of paper, a pencil ready. If you have a Sharpie, grab that, but you don't have to, and then something to color with. These will take you step by step through each of these drawings, which I thought all choices were great for Mother's Day. When you guys start with the pencil. That's one tip I have, because you know if you make a mark that you don't like, you can erase it and fix it. When you guys are done and you attach a photo in Seesaw, if you want to wait to attach a photo until Mother's Day and take a picture with your mom and your artwork, you may do that as well. Okay? So have fun. Make sure you tell your moms that you love them and care about them and you appreciate everything they do for you. I can't wait to see your art. See you soon.